Hey there, we're setting up Marketing Cloud's FTP, and we're going to go ahead and walk through the tutorial of how to set up FileZilla on your local machine. So FileZilla can be downloaded at filezilla-project.org, and you would want to download the FileZilla client. So download the client package, install it on your local machine, which I've already done that on my side. And then once you have the FileZilla installed, you would open it up and be able to then set up. So before we set up FileZilla, I want to go ahead and show you how I organize my local machine so that I don't clutter up my documents folder or my desktop folders. So let's get right into it. What I do is I set up a folder that's kind of the team names. I called it MC Ops or Marketing Cloud Ops dash the team name or the client name, build an email. Within there, I have a folder called transfers. Inside transfers, I have the host name of what I'm connecting to, which is going to be the ftp.marketingcloudops.com. This should be the same for you as well. And within there, I have the FTP accounts that I'm connecting to. So for each business unit in Marketing Cloud, it's optional to turn on FTP servers. And for the parent account, you definitely probably have this turned on. And this BAE workshop and then the MID or the business unit number is the parent account. So once I have this set up, I'm going to go ahead and bring this into my local directory over here, which is just dragging it over and then dropping it on the sidebar, which you can see I already done that. So once I have that set up, I'm all set up in my local machine. Now in FileZilla, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Site Manager, which is the icon here in the top left. Once set up, you would then create a new folder, call it MCOps their team name. I called it build an email. Once you have that set up, you would then copy in your host, username, the password given to you. Before you click connect or OK, you want to make sure your protocol is set to SFTP. And additionally, you want to set up your user local directory. This is probably blank by default for you, so go ahead and click Browse, and then you'll navigate to the folder that you want to select, which for me is already selected, but I'll just show you again. Marketing Cloud Ops, build an email, transfers, FTP locations, and this is for the workshop parent account. So I'm going to go ahead and select that folder. And then I'm going to, for the default remote directory, I just put a slash there to be safe. But I go ahead and select use synchronized browsing. Hit the checkbox there, and I'll show you what that does next. Now we can go ahead and press OK. And then we can go ahead and press connect to test our connection. And on the left-hand side, you'll see that we have our local directory, which is our machine. And on the right-hand side, we have this server, Marketing Cloud's instance. So if I go ahead and browse into one of these folders, you'll see that one of the screens that pops up immediately is asking about synchronized browsing. And it's asking if you want to go ahead and create this folder on your local machine. Yes, I do. I want to keep things organized. So go ahead and create missing local directory and press enter into it. And now I have this folder called import underneath workshop, and it's in sync to what's on Marketing Cloud. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for export. Once again, create missing local directory, enter it. And then also I can just navigate quickly from the top right here on the server. Again, I got the screen again that says create missing local directory. Press OK. And now my local machine is matching the same folder structure